Have you noticed the Inspiration tab within the YouTube Creator Studio and your content? Hi, Taylor here with Financial Potion, where video aids your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on the bell to get notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video's been posted. For one-to-one training or just to support our content, please click above and connect with us on our Patreon page. When you go to your YouTube Creator Studio, you have the ability to get inspired by AI, to get insights on what content people are searching for, and then you can create video around that. I have found it in 2 different locations. For my account, it's under Analytics and then Inspiration. For another client of mine, I saw it under the Content section. What do you think of this YouTube update? Share your comments, and if you need help with your YouTube optimization or video marketing in general, don't hesitate to schedule a complimentary strategy session.